He is one of those cases. A 39-year-old Nebraska man says COVID-19 left him in a medically induced coma. In fact, he says Omaha doctors gave him a 20% chance of survival. KETV Newswatch 7's Alexandra Stone is live with his surprising recovery.
Julie, Danny Lemos says he was unconscious as medics flew him by helicopter from Grand Island to Omaha, but he credits an experimental drug for saving his life.
Danny Lemos remembers the day he started feeling sick.
I got home from work and I was feeling really congested in the chest. And I checked my temperature and a slight temperature.
By the next morning, the 39-year-old father of four was in the emergency room. He ended up in intensive care at St. Francis Hospital in Grand Island. That's when his memory gets blurry.
Next thing I know is I'm waking up in Omaha.
Medica flew him to Nebraska Medicine, where he spent days in a medically induced coma. Doctors told his family to prepare for the worst.
And told her that I had about a 20% chance of living.
Lemos says family gave permission for staff to give him the drug remdesivir. It's part of the clinical trial at Nebraska Medicine. Days into the treatment, Lemos describes the moment he woke up.
I could see myself reach up, and it took every bit of strength I possibly had, and I ripped my vent out of my mouth.
Nurses rushed in, but his vitals remained stable. He kept making progress as days passed, and he's confident remdesivir played a role.
I really think it was a game changer. I really do. Everyone's like, you're the talk of the hospital. Like, nobody can understand how you've turned around so quickly.
Lemos believes he got the virus from his father, who works at a meat plant in Grand Island. His dad also went to a hospital. His mother was sick too, but recovered at home. Lemos says he does not have any other health issues.
This whole thing just seems to be crazy. Like, nobody knows what it's going to do or how it's going to affect someone.
He's back in Grand Island, and he wants you to know COVID-19 can change your life quickly.
It's just nuts around here. Like, people literally walk around this town like there's nothing going on. Stay home. Don't go out unless you have to. We have to get this under control.
Lemos says he was in the hospital for 18 days. He still has a cough and some chest tightness and is now quarantining at home. So glad he's doing better. Rob, back to you.